Nuclear energy is a problem. The problem caused by nuclear power is global. Nuclear power plants are a byproduct of the development of the atomic bomb, an even more destructive form of the violation of the rights of nature. Nuclear power came into existence from the 1940s onwards, with currently 448 operating reactors in 30 countries, but many more non-nuclear countries affected by the nuclear fuel chain and the fallout from nuclear accidents. Nuclear power violates the Universal Declaration of the Rights of Mother Earth in many respects, but in particular Article 2, inherent rights of Mother Earth are affected. Point E, the right to water is a source of life. Point F, the right to clean air. Point G, the right to integral health. Point H, the right to be free from contamination, pollution, and toxic or radioactive waste. Point I, the right not to have its genetic structure modified or disrupted in a manner that threatens its integrity or vital and healthy functioning. In 2009, an accident occurred at the Ranger mine in Australia. A dam burst and contaminated the Kakadu National Park with 6 million liters of radioactive water. Communities in the vicinity of the mines are forced to give up their land and to endure radioactive contamination. The nuclear plant routine emissions, as they are called. Even in normal operation of a nuclear power plant, radioactive substances are released into the environment. In particular, when nuclear fuel is replaced, which happens about once a year, large amounts of radioactive isotopes are released into the environment. An epidemiological study in Germany showed beyond doubt that these releases result in 60% increase of cancers and 100% increase of leukemia in children under the age of 5 living in a 5-kilometer radius in the vicinity of nuclear plants. In an incident or accident in a nuclear power plant, radioactive isotopes such as cesium, strontium, and iodine, but also plutonium, can be released into the environment. Plants, animals, and humans get radioactive doses via air or nutrition, resulting in the direct contact of radioactive isotopes with cells, which can cause changes in the cell structure and the DNA, can therefore be mutagenic, carcinogenic. As a consequence of the single nuclear disaster in Chernobyl, today Ukraine, in 1986, 40,000 additional fatal cancers are to be expected, with many more non-fatal ones. We, as Global 2000 Friends of the Earth Austria, have been working with affected families of Chernobyl cleanup workers and children in eastern Ukraine for 21 years. And there's a more recent accident, Fukushima. The triple nuclear meltdowns in Fukushima in 2011, another area of Mother Earth was contaminated. Again, plants, animals, and humans were polluted by large releases of radioactive isotopes such as iodine and cesium, which have detrimental health effects in different parts of the organism. For example, the radioactive fission products cesium and strontium are embedded in human body tissues, as a human body cannot distinguish between these products and potassium and calcium. Iodine is absorbed by the thyroid gland if non-radioactive iodine prophylaxis is not issued in time, which happened again in Fukushima. After 10 half-lives, e.g. 240,000 years, it's deemed safe. It's only toxic after that. For comparison, modern humans have existed for about 100,000 years. The most ancient cave paintings were created about 30,000 years. The Stone Age ended 10,000 years ago. The pyramids were built 4,000 years ago. This goes to show the sheer enormity of the time period required for safe confinement and the risk to all organisms. The health effects on plants, on animals, on humans. Nuclear power is a false solution to climate change. When fission products are released into the environment, they can be incorporated into the human or animal body, or into plants via air, water, and nurture, and then damage the DNA of the organism. Nuclear power violates the Universal Declaration of the Rights of Mother Earth in many respects. The responsibility for this violation lies with the operators of nuclear plants worldwide, mostly commercial, but also research and military institutions. These reactors need to be shut down and nuclear power phased out as soon as possible. The financial responsibility for the legacy of the nuclear age has to be borne fully by the operators, even if some companies go bankrupt. There is no justification to rescue them and not the planet that they have polluted and that they continue to pollute. The climate impact of nuclear is also very bad. Don't nuclear planet.